Dylan, what's good?
Yo, Mary, Arthur, Kareem, the lip dub's in 5 minutes. Where are y'all?
Dylan, chill. We're coming. Don't worry about it. We'll see you soon.
Okay, hurry.
Okay. All right, bye.
12 seconds later.
What took y'all so long?
What you talking about?
Chill.
I'm ready. Kareem's ready. Mary's ready. We ready.
We ready.
I feel the master. I feel him. Y'all ready? They ready? Well, come on. Y'all ready? They ready? We ready? Come on. We ready? Come on. Grand fold. Break grand fold. Break grand fold. Break grand fold. Come on. We ready? Come on. We ready? Come on. We ready? No question about who the
I just wanna take you higher, throw your hands up in the sky. Let's set this party on fire. Players, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out. Pop, it's showtime. Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. I'm wearing Cuban links, designer mix, Inglewood's finest shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to give the color red the blues.
Can keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Yes, my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road.
Hi, my name is Bob, and I approve this message.
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me. When I hit the floor, the girls come snapping at me. Now everybody wants a blast of magic, 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 oh. I got the magic in me.
Trick that I let tempo blow your mind. Pick a verse, any verse, I hypnotize you with every line. I'll need a volunteer. How about you with the eyes? Come on down to the front, stay right here and don't be shy. I have you time traveling, have your mind babbling. People trying to inherit the skills, so they asking me. Even David Blaine had to go and take some classes, and I see mind freak like, what's up, man? What's happening? So come on, come on, and see the show tonight. Prepare to be astounded, no ghost or poltergeist. You know I'm no Pinocchio, I never told a lie. So call me Mr. Magic Man, I float on cloud nine.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
This isn't real, it's all in my head, I can feel it. I'm imagining this, can I wake up from this dream all over? Fall back to sleep, please. For a second, for a minute, can we go? For a second, for a minute, can we go? For a second, for a minute, can we go? For a second, for a minute, can we go? Can we go back when we were young and didn't care if we messed up? We had forever, so we got lost in each other, 'cause time wasn't catching, time wasn't catching. Back when we were young and didn't care if we messed up. We had forever, so we got lost in each other, 'cause time wasn't catching, time wasn't catching. Thought our paper crowns were silver and gold. We thought our arms were feathers and hollow bones. The more I'm learning, the more I don't know. I feel smaller, the more. For a second, for a minute, can we go? For a second, for a minute, can we go? For a second, for a minute, can we go? For a second, for a minute, can we go? Can we go back when we were young and didn't care if we messed up? We had forever, so we got lost in each other, 'cause time wasn't catching, time wasn't catching. Back when we were young and didn't care if we messed up. We had forever, so we got lost in each other, 'cause time wasn't catching, time wasn't catching us. Na 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 na. You can't